If you ever get a notice from Social Security that you've been overpaid and they want their money back, you're thinking, how could this happen? The richest country in the world, in the history of the world, how can they screw this up? It's because Social Security is vastly underfunded. Congress will not approve the more money. They have 65 million people that they take care of. They have antiquated computer systems. They do not have enough staff. Their morale is terrible. It's not a good situation. So yes, they make mistakes. I've done a video on the millions of the actual amount of mistakes they make each year. And that is from the government's own accounting office. Okay, so it's public knowledge that they overpay a lot of people and they underpay a lot of people. So if you've been overpaid, you're in a panic because you probably spent the money. And you're thinking, what's my recourse? This is their fault. You don't have recourse. If they overpaid you, you have to pay the money back. So you can call them, work out a payment program, but they're going to get the money back. If you have other benefits coming, they will withhold those benefits. But it is a problem, and you're like, well, I'm going to call my congressman, or I'm going to, what can I do? Nothing. You gotta pay it back within your means. If you get an overpayment and you notice it, and you're the lucky people that don't spend it, you're like, whoa, this is wrong. You're like, well, I'm just going to send it back. Do not write the government a check and mail it to your Social Security office. Good God, that'll get lost. Do not do that. If you notice you have an overpayment, your strategy is to wait. Wait until they contact you. You finally get that letter. They won't call you. They will mail you a letter, and they will tell you how to repay them. Don't try to get ahead of it on your own. Most people don't, because like I said, most people don't even realize they were overpaid, and they're horrified when they get that repayment letter. If you want to learn more about retirement, I have a lot of information on my website, themedicarefamily.com. A lot of great information about Social Security, Medicare, 401k withdrawals, required minimum distributions, all the stuff you have to become an expert for when you get ready to retire.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.